Coffee time. Let's let people get down here.
I need a dollar, that's what I need. Hey, hey. Well, I need a dollar, that's what I need. Hey, hey. Till I need a dollar, that's what I need. And if I share with you my story, would you share your dollar with me? Bad times are coming, and I reap what I done sow. Hey, hey. Well, let me tell you something, all that glitters ain't gold. Hey, hey. It's been a long old troublesome road, and I'm looking for somebody come and help me carry this load. I need a dollar, that's what I need. Hey, hey. Well, I need a dollar, that's what I need. Well, I don't know if I'm walking on solid ground, 'cause everything around me is falling down. And all I want is someone to help me. I had a job, but the boss man let me go. He said, I'm sorry, but I won't be needing your help no more. I said, please, Mr. Boss Man.
All right, let's get it. It's time.
Let you know. My last time, well, I need dollar.
Come on, market. Give us our dollar today. You know what I'm saying? All right, yo. It is Wednesday. We got news today. Let's see what we got. I think today is unemployment. I wonder if we have any Fed speakers. I need to find better news. Let's check the econ. Excuse me. Whatever. We'll see. We'll see. Whatever. I don't even care. We're just gonna read the markets. All right. But on that side, we should be good. All right. We're still in the same zone. We're in the same zone. Keep it easy. Keep it easy. Above 680, 360. Excuse me. Might as well just make it 684. Above 684, we go 685. Right? Above 685. Probably. 686. Yeah, 685.3, 686.5. It's a little choppy up here, but I believe that that's where we'll go. All right. So pretty clean moves, to be honest. Pretty clean. I would say if we lose 680, we could go to that 677, 675. I mean, this is kind of all the range right here. Right? So I would just wait. Hold on. I know what the problem is. Hey, make sure to ask questions too if you guys need any help with anything, right? So we can wait for under 680 on SPY and take it down to 676.80. Below 676.80, I'm not gonna go short into an untested Asia and London low. So really, this whole thing right here is just a zone. All right, so on your charts, you should definitely put the 674.80, 676.80. So that way you know not to go short. All right. I just know. So I don't put my zone there. Yeah, that's perfect, right? So that's pretty much the no trade zone. And then above, like I said, above that 683.6, we could take it. Just don't get faked out. Wait for that break and close and retest, right? Qs. Qs. $623.75 to 625. And then you can see above 625. I mean, yeah. Oh. Yeah. I mean, 625, 626, and then above 626.6, you can see that 629. So you could wait for that. Yeah, I mean, really just watch level to level. This looks like a rising wedge to me. For both, for both, really, right? So we could, I mean, we could see that break. Um, we can see that break, right? So you wait for the break to the downside for a rising wedge. Rising wedges fall, right? So see, that's a rising wedge. So this is where there we go. This is exactly what we look like right now, right? Same exact concept. So now we just wait to see break out or break below. Break below, get that retest, take her down, and it starts at the 675 area. So this is all we take it to, and that would be our full trade. So we could wait for puts again today if you wanted to. Right. So I think we could still get that 685 reject again. Just wait for the break and reclaim, if anything, right? Like we usually say, break, reclaim back under, oh, and then go. All right. Then obviously now we have to watch pre-market levels. So, take it with a grain of salt, but we'll see what happens with that. NVIDIA. Does the chat work? Can you guys comment in there or hit that like button for me? I want to make sure we're all good. All systems running. Oh, NVIDIA came right to the resistance in there. All right, but dude, yeah, that's surprising. Actually, it's pretty big. Pretty big move after hours, NVIDIA. Same thing though. I mean, it's still valid. So I would say break below 182.7, take it to 180. Again, though, you have London lows and Asia lows untested. So all that means is just expect a bounce there, right? Like if let's say you it breaks above and you're like, all right, but wait for it, breaks back below, you enter here, it goes, you could wait to see if it breaks. Like this is, it might break there. And if it does, you just take it to here and then just take your profits. Like don't be greedy. We're waiting for a good trend. Look at this. We just kind of been all over the place, really. But NVIDIA is not really a top watch for me. Tesla, you dirty dog. How does Tesla look? Put that there. I was like, I need to chart that. Yeah, that looks better. All right, so Tesla. Look at that. Look at that. Probably wait for the reversal again on Tesla. But again, 429 to 435 pre-market move. That's crazy, bro. Like, come on, give me something good. Give me something clean. AMD is pretty clean. AMD is always a G. Back when I was yeah. We go 218 reject on AMD. Right? That's what I figured. Actually, yeah. That's not bad. So yeah, so all right, I like that. I like that. And we still got some bearish divergence a little bit right here, right? We're going up. We're going down. AMD be paying, dude. I don't know if y'all realize that. But every time we get AMD, I look at my phone, that's just up. I'm like, damn. Them contracts move nice on AMD. So that's what we could wait for on today, right? We're gonna wait for we definitely gonna wait for that today. Finish that move down to that 212, 213. We haven't filled that yet. We gotta come grab that. Come grab that real quick. Drop, flag, go. So AMD's nice. I like that for sure. Hood's still ugly. Hood's still ugly. Meta ugly. Meta, you dirty dog. I want Meta so bad above 6.4. Well, I guess 650 now to 653. It's not the biggest move anymore, but yeah. Yeah. Mm-hmm. That is what I wanted. But it looks like Meta's gonna reject too. Look at that. That's rising wedge and a half. Oh my god. Meta also is one that pays, but Meta's a little more expensive now. And Meta, you're gonna pay. So if you don't have good risk management and you're not cutting losses fast if you're wrong, I wouldn't trade Meta. You're gonna get ate up. You're gonna get ate up. But with the patience, you should be good. Really, you could just wait for I mean, you could wait for 646 to break. Yeah, honestly. That looks good to just go down. I mean, shit. Shoot. Uh-oh. I don't want to get canceled on here. Hey, Mr. Boss Man, I don't read what I've been told. Let's put another one. See, I feel like. Mm. I mean, you still take it. It's just kind of chop. If this was a cleaner move, I mean, you just gotta wait for the overall break, right? So probably there just to be safe. Yeah, definitely there. 641. I like that better. So you go 641 to 638 to 635. All right. I think that by the time it reaches there anyways, that will be the determining factor to go. And then we have an untested London low, Asia low. So do that for Meta, or like I said, up 640, 649. I mean, really 648. As long as you're breaking close above here, you can take it to 653 and then potentially 659. There's no way. Yeah. And that's 659. So I'm definitely gonna be looking at Meta today because that's a nice move right there. $6 move. That's that pays. It happens fast, right? So with sometimes the move just goes like this, boom, and then you're just like, cool, love that, awesome. Apple went crazy. I'm still watching for here, but we just flagged again. Meta or Apple's nuts. Apple's nuts. That's actually a good move, though. We could take that. We could take that. 284.5 down to 282. We can take that for sure. Move it up a little bit. I like that. All right, so let's see what we like the most today. All right. All right. So we'll say again, we're looking for rejects. We want the rejects today. We want to break all that shit today. All right. Should be a good move. We could say sweep and reclaim, or even there. I mean, below 680. We'll go below 680 to 677. That's a good move. Below 680 to 677. I don't even really want to do above right now. I mean, whatever. Or above. We'll just say 685 to 687. Or above 685 to 687. All right, not too shabby. Qs. Nah, I don't really be messing with the Qs. Honestly, I don't really trade the Qs. 621.75 to. Let's see, I missed that. Yeah, that's good. You could go 622 down to 620, $2 move, right? Should we throw that in there? We'll throw that in there, and then we'll 622 to 620. Yeah. All right. Above, we'll go above 624 to 625. See, that ain't even worth it, dog. Don't get faked out today either. Don't be that guy. Don't get faked out. 23, 3. We'll probably have to wait for that 626 to the upside. I'll just go 623.5. Five, 2, 6, 25. So not too bad of a move there. Yeah, NVIDIA, whatever, fall probably to 177 anyways. 176. Tessie, 436 to 441. That would be nice. Break above that. I think Tessie and Meta are definitely going to be some watches today. Yeah, see, I like that. I like Tesla above 430. We go 437 to 441. See, that's one of mine. So I'm going to put that. If you guys are here, you know. All right. Tesla above, because that's fire. 437 to 441. 5 technically. Let's go 441. Or below. Yeah, we're so overbought. It's insane. Back below 433 down to shoot at least 430. I'm not touching it. to the downside unless it breaks like 426, 427. We'll just stay upside on it. AMD went right to our resistance at that 218. AMD also look for that. Look for that. Boom. Oh, that's a little zone. It's a little zone, 214 to 213. So AMD will go below, probably say below 216. We'll see. See how it goes. See how it plays. See how it plays. Meta. 648 to 641. Say what? That's what I think we about to get. I think we about to go. Boom. We'll go 646 to 641. All right. Also, remember in the beginning of the day, premiums are always the highest. So give it some time. Be patient for your trades. I know it's a hard concept for people, but wait. Just wait. Think about it this way. The closer you get, like set your stop loss if you were to enter, and then as like let price come to it. And the closer you get, the less you have to lose if you're wrong. So like just wait for it. Like I want it to touch my level. Or if anything, sometimes it does like a nice little wick up. I'm like, ooh, entry. I like that. So just be patient. Like that's how patient you should feel like you missed the move. Like, dang, I missed the move. All right. This should be good. Yeah. Anything else? Questions, comments, concerns? Oh yeah, Apple, dude. Love Apple. Sorry, I forgot. Damn, I'm giving y'all too much. Below 284.5 to 282. And then do that, right? Or 284.5 bounce. Like it did yesterday. That thing just bounces. Bouncing around. Yeah, Apple's nice. I like that. I think it's gonna keep going up though. Shoot. It's not even really showing any weakness right now. 1 hour a little bit, but that could be like a bull pennant. That's wild, dude. Let's see. Maybe not a pennant. My bad. Triangle. Yeah. There you go, like that. Boom. Flag. I mean, it's a freaking flag. Whatever. Triangles, pennants, they're all messy. But if it does break out, I'm not taking all-time highs. So I'm only looking for downside plays on Apple. And that will be that. We could probably move that there. Yeah. Oh, yeah. guess that would be nice. All right. Cool. I like that. Like that. Apple below 285 to 280. I'm gonna go 5 just for y'all to be safe. Boom. And that's all y'all get. I'm not even watching nothing else. That's all y'all get. All right. Boom. SPY. Nvidia. Don't care. AMD. Kind of care. Apple's clean. Meta's clean. Clean-ish. Tesla. Oh yeah, look at Tesla's rejection. Man. All right. Looks like we're seeing the future. Let's get it, baby. All right. Peace out.